This video is about how to take a value from inside a cycle by code. There are cycles 1, 2, 3. Inside there is a value tomato here, and orange here, and so on. This is a test table, and I want to take these values from inside the loop here by code. I do it in the following way. Select, take one value. The table is table in cycle. The field is field in header. Where and order are not needed. We need the cycle parameter. That is, when we refer not inside one cycle from one table to another, we need to specify the cycle number. Either a number or some variable can be passed to cycle. For example, we can say that we want to refer to some number. And here we can calculate that number in some way, but I'll just put a 1 for demonstration purposes. And so this select went inside cycle number 1. What is cycle number 1? It's this first cycle. They are numbered by id of cycles table rows. Often we want to know right inside a cycle itself what its cycle number is. For this, there is a fast variable called nowCycleId. We press save and this is how we get the cycle number. For example, you need this to write the cycle number somewhere else in the table outside of the cycle. Sometimes you need to get data from inside a cycle like this. We have a table with rows, and we want to have the cycle number right here. I will put it here manually. It can be written in code here. And this is where we want to get specific values from the cycle. I'll take the code here, copy it from here, and put it in here. Here we take and refer to the cycle number field, which is first in the rows part. Let's try how it works. Open. We don't have a cycle specified here. Let's put the first cycle, and tomato is pulled up here. So let's fill in cycle 1, cycle 2, and cycle 3. We got 3 different values. In this video I want to show one more thing. Here's the test field, and we'll do the already well-known select from table inside a cycle here. Table in cycle, field in header. This will be erased. And here we will pass the cycle, but not a single value, but a list. The list of ids. How do we get a list of ids? To do a select list from the cycles table, we won't specify where. So we will take all the ids. Let's see what we got. We also got one value because we're using select. But if we use select list, it will go through the list of these ids in each cycle and take us the values from these cycles. Here's the tomato, orange, cyan. It's quite a heavy operation. You can use it in lazy development mode when you want to take a small amount of data. But when you need to take a very large amount of data, or it's used constantly and everywhere, for some cycles table, it's better not to go inside each cycle, but to pull the data up. That's what the next 2 videos are about. Practice everything on the server and move on to them.